Well, Power Grid delivered its Q4 FY21 numbers along with the annual results, and it was a steady set from the company this time around as well. Remember, it has been a remarkably resilient performance from Power Grid given the fact that they had to deal with COVID. They also had to give a one-time rebate as far as discoms were concerned, given the fact that so many of the discoms were actually facing quite a bit of trouble in collections due to the multiple lockdowns that were seen across the country. Now, when you're talking about the results, the revenues came in at around 9,942 crore, slightly below what the 18 poll was anticipating, but almost 2.5% higher on a year-on-year basis. When you're talking about the core EBITDA coming in at close to 8,750 crore, in line to slightly neutral to what exactly the poll was anticipating. When you're talking about the margins coming in at close to 87.9% versus 83.2% last year around. When you're talking about the profitability, above what the street was anticipating, profitability coming in close to 3,516 crore versus when you're talking about the previous year around 3,183 crore, up almost 10.5% on a year-on-year basis. Very encouragingly, as far as the investors are concerned, the company declared a bonus share issue in the ratio of 1:3, and when you're talking about for every 3 shares held in the company, you will be getting a bonus share of 1 if you are an investor in Power Grid. The board has also recommended a final dividend of close to 3 rupees a share. So brokerages have come out on the results, and CLSA continues to have a very, very positive stance. CLSA has said that they maintain a buy stance on the company. They've gone ahead and increased their target price from 245 a share to 275 a share, and this is based on multiple factors that the brokerage house sees as far as the earnings of CLSA of Power Grid is concerned. They believe there is further traction likely over there. So what are they saying? They're saying that the start of a very large high voltage direct current line improves visibility, bottoming of the backlog led by large new asset wins of around 7,000 crore, capitalization growth of close to 15%, and double-digit PAT growth of 13% year-on-year were the highlights of Power Grid's FY21. After fourth quarter FY21, they see Power Grid as an island of solid regulated earnings, and they say that coupled with a backlog of $6.3 billion, they should see Power Grid earnings almost grow by 19% between FY21 to FY23. Also, they say that the company is quite attractive to ESG investors as a play on green corridors, and given, remember, the company continues to trade at very inexpensive valuations, 9 times FY23 price to earnings, and remember also this is one of the most attractive stocks when you look at it from a dividend yield perspective as well. So overall, it's been a good quarter, strong growth in terms of new project orders win as well, and which is why CLSA has upgraded the target price as well as continued to maintain the buy stance on the stock.